You might think that having your Twitter account has been bothering you and want to get rid of it, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Twitter account permanently. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Twitter account right over here. And once you open it, once you're in your homepage, just click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Privacy. And from here, click on your account. And then finally, click on Deactivate your account. And then from here, you can just scroll down a bit and click on Deactivate once you have made that final decision. So one thing that you should know is that you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So within that 30 days, you can decide if you want to take back your account and reactivate it again, or just leave it at that 30 days. So after 30 days, it will be automatically permanently deactivated or deleted from Twitter. So if you want to delete it permanently, you can just deactivate, wait for 30 days, and Twitter will delete your account permanently. So you can just click on deactivate right here, and then it should be confirmed by entering your password and all that. So just follow through the steps. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.